You are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be solving questions on development, surface development. When we talk about surface development, it's merely about unwrapping a particular solid shape. It could be a cylinder, it could be a cone, it could be a pyramid, and it could also be a prism. So all these different solid figures can be unwrapped, meaning can be developed. Now, starting with this, if we are told that our seam is here, A, let's say this one is, okay, let's make our seam this one now, B. For the first question, seam implies at the point at which you begin to unfold the or unwrap the solid shape. So given this question now, we have a diameter, it is a frustum of a cylinder of diameter 38. This height is not given, but we have this height to be 62. So once you're able to get this height, just measure your 45 degrees, it will cut this height. So let us start without wasting time. The first thing is to measure the radius. The radius will be the radius will be 19. So we'll measure 19 because the diameter is 38. So the radius will be 19. We draw a circle, or let's move it a little bit towards the side. Let's use this side like this. So let us draw our circle. So we still cannot use that point because we need to draw our cylinder upward. So let's move it a little bit downward. Let's say here. So we are 38. Now, once you have done this, you now need to divide the circle into 12 equal parts. You need to divide the circle into 12 equal parts, and to do that, you need to first of all, it didn't pass through the center very well. You have to be very careful because the slightest error you make will make it difficult for you to achieve the result you are supposed to achieve. Take this one away. So from here now, you can take this one vertically upward, and this one too vertically upward. So now let's get the base. It will be at any point, any distance from the plan. Say this. So we can now measure the height to be 62. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 62. Then at that point, this point, you now measure 45 degrees. You can just use your 45 degrees set square straight away instead of measuring like this. Let's put it this way to cut it like this. So now let us divide this circle into 12 equal parts with the same radius of the circle. We mark arc round with the same radius of the circle. Yeah. Mark arc round arc round. Now I have to divide the circle to 12 equal parts. So you can now join them. All this one are meant to be done in thin lines because your question is not to draw circle or divide a circle into 12 equal parts. The objective of this question is to develop the object. So I'm taking this one, make this one to thick and thick as well. So now the next thing is to extend this point, the base. I hope the space will be enough. Yes, that's the first thing that I need to check. Let me check. Now the next thing is to now use this one of these spaces to draw arc 12 times. Then just take one like this and mark arc 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So like that. So since we have been told that our seam is here to here, so it is A. So with that now, with that, since our seam is along this line, then we'll start our labeling from here. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then you label this one too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and back to 1. So and let us still need to draw horizontal line here too, like that. So now we'll now begin to draw vertical lines from all these points, all the division we have. We do everything vertical lines. Lines. You have to be very careful. Make sure your vertical lines are verticals and they are all parallel. That's this, and the last one, that. So the next thing now is to now begin to move your point one after the other. Now we said our seam is AA. There's no need to develop the bottom, because if you develop it, it will definitely give us a straight line. But because this place is being cut, it's a frustum, so definitely it won't give us straight line. It will give us a wavy line. So let us now start from there. 1 to 1 will be here. Then 2 to 2, we have 2 and 12 coming like this. Take it vertically upward to intersect that point. Then from there, we take it to the other end like this. Now we have 2 and 12. So 2 going this way is meeting 2 here, and at the same time it is always, remember we have 2 and 12, so it's also meeting 12 here. Now the next one is 3 and 11. Let us draw that one. Take it vertically upward. It's intersecting it here. So from that point, draw a horizontal line. Now let us go and locate 3 and 11. This is 3. 3 is intersecting it here, and 11 is intersecting it here. If you trace the line, you notice that this is 11 and this is 3. Now the next one is 10 and 4. The line is there already. 10 and 4. So this is 4. It is meeting 4 here, and 10 is meeting 10 here. The next one is 5 and 9. Let us draw the vertical line passing through 5 and 9. This, then at this point, you draw the horizontal line. Yeah, like that. So that is 5 and 9. 5 is meeting it here, and 9 is meeting it here. So the next one is 6 and 8. 6 and 8. Transfer it like that. Now where is 6? 6 is intersecting it here, and 8 is intersecting it here. And the last one is 7. The line is already there at the edge. It's meeting it here. So that is that's how it will look like. Then don't forget, we said this is 1, there's 1 here, and there's 1 here. So another 1 will be here. If you trace it, it will take you back to 1. You can see this is 1. So the next thing is for us to join with French curve. So joining with French curve, make sure you are very careful to make sure it gives you a smooth curve. This one, and just turn it and do the other side, the other 3 here too. So you can now turn it this way to complete this one. Can we do the 3, the 4 together? Okay. Can do the same thing here. Do the same thing here. Let's complete this one. As we complete this, like that. Now complete this one too. So that's the solution. And don't forget, you need to thicken this edge like this, and this. So that's the solution to the first question, this question. So if you have enjoyed this video, please like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. We'll meet in the second video when I'll solve the second question.